Well, hey, it's another beautiful day in northwest Arkansas. Ready? Seek. Let's go this way. This way. Yes. I'm trying to focus and have him go a certain direction. That's why I'm pushing him one way. Yeah. He's determined to go the other way, though. Alright, that's better. This way. He failed to read the instructional notes today, so. Yep. Long shadows, huh? This way. So looking for changes in behavior is what I'm looking for. Well, besides his obvious alert, right? This way. True. Yeah. Keep wanting him to go a certain way. He's just focused on his own plan. Show me. Where is it? Show me. Oh, yes? Good boy. Say. Alright. Yes. He found source. It is below the surface right there. I hope you're doing great. We will catch you out there.